82.5% of all internet traffic this year will come from video. But what are the best video marketing strategies you can use to grow your audience, capture leads, and convert sales? After closing over 7 figures in sales from video marketing, I'm here to share 7 types of video that I will be using in my marketing efforts this year and giving you a simple plan of action you can plug in and use today to get started. My name is Maylea, and I give entrepreneurs the blueprint to grow your audience and automate your sales so that you can create a profitable online business that works for you 24/7 and you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. Reels, TikToks, shorts, lives, long form video, webinars. Trying to decide which type of video marketing content to use, not to mention when and where to use it, is enough to make anyone's head spin. That's probably why over 92% of entrepreneurs report that they are not using video enough in their marketing, even though they know they should be. It is not your fault. The confused mind does nothing, and video marketing is confusing enough to cause any of us to get stuck in overwhelm and confusion. Not to mention, with the wrong video marketing strategy, it becomes just another thing that you have to create, post, and keep up with in your business that's really not driving results or putting cash in your pocket. That means more wasted time for you, more feeling behind, and more stress as you put the pressure on yourself to plan out your video content, hit record, and push publish. If any of that has you nodding your head in agreement, then I'm going to invite you to a free 5-day challenge that I'm hosting with my friend Mark called the Fearless Video Challenge. Today I'm going to share the 7 types of video you should be using in your marketing this year, and I'm going to give you a plan that you can start following to get results. But there's only so much that I can share in a short video like this. And during the challenge, you're going to get step-by-step actionable trainings 5 days in a row and walk away with a proven video marketing system that helps you generate red-hot traffic, leads, and sales, just like the big influencers online. Yes, even if you're brand new, even if you're afraid to get on camera. You can reserve your seat to join us live or watch the replays at globalfreedomcommunity.com/video. All right, so let's get into the 7 types of video you should be using in your marketing this year. We can't talk about video these days without mentioning short form video. But did you know there are 4 types of short form video that you should be using if you want to get the best results? Short form videos can be posted on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even over on Pinterest. There is a reason that all the platforms are jumping on this. It works. I can't even believe I'm saying that because I was the biggest short video skeptic. Then, while working with a coach, she told me that she had generated over 600 leads in 30 days from short videos without running any ads. So I gritted my teeth and I dove in. 30 days later, I had generated $42,000 in sales from my short videos, and today, that number is well over 6 figures. So let's dive in and talk about the 4 types of short video you should be using. Number 1 is talk to camera videos. This is where you get on camera and record yourself talking to the camera. These videos are really great for your educational and lifestyle content because viewers are able to see your face, hear your voice, and really connect with you. My friend Mark calls this the immediate bond process. Because when your people hear your voice, see your face, get to experience your facial expressions and your mannerisms and all the things that make you you, it immediately creates a feeling of know, like, and trust. The second type of video you should be using is text on screen videos. This is gonna sound really weird, but just go with me for a second, okay? Get in the habit of recording yourself doing boring, everyday things in your life, okay? So working at your desk, putting on your makeup, making breakfast, folding laundry, reading a book. Sound weird? I told you, but here's where the strategy comes in. Pair these videos with a trending sound or a popular song and add a big block of text over the screen. Use this text to share educational tips, inspiring thoughts, ideas, and even to share a little bit of lifestyle and transformation content with your audience. Not only is this one of the easiest forms of video that you can create, but it will also generate a ton of followers, leads, and sales for your business. The third type of video you should be using is trends. And no, you do not have to dance. Trends are an incredible way to get what we call algorithmic favor on any platform because the algorithms are trained to listen for specific songs or sounds that are popular right now and push them out to more people. But here's the thing with trends. You must, and I mean must, adapt them to your niche. Trends go viral all the time, but going viral with the wrong piece of content can actually ruin your account because it's going to bring in a ton of followers who like that specific video, but aren't your ideal client. So the next time you see a trend, ask yourself, how can I take this idea and put a spin on it that would make my ideal client nod, laugh, or feel seen and supported? The fourth type of short form video you should be using is stories. So you can use stories on Instagram, Facebook, and now even TikTok to take your audience behind the scenes, share pieces of your lifestyle, quick tips, and really anything that you want to talk about. A lot of people use photos and Canva slides in their stories, but you should also get in the habit of showing your beautiful face and talking to the camera with your stories. This is going to create know, like, and trust with your audience, and it's one of the fastest ways to create that immediate bond that I talked about earlier with people who are already following your account. All right, so that's short form video, but there are 3 more types of video that I want to talk about that you should be using this year if you really want to amp up the growth of your social media accounts and start generating more leads and sales online. The 5th type is live video. You can go live on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and even here on YouTube as a way to give additional levels of value and nurture trust and authority with your audience. The really cool thing is that by collaborating with other people in your niche and using live video to interview them, you can also grow your audience. Because when you interview someone, that video won't just be shown to your audience. Of course, they're going to talk about it. They're going to share it with their audience, and this exposes your business to a whole new group of people who otherwise wouldn't know you. My biggest tip for going live is to pick a platform, pick a day, and pick a time. Then be consistent with it. Call your live show something fun like Money Monday or Wealth Wednesday or Free Coaching Friday. Then train your audience to expect you to show up every single week and deliver the goods. The 6th type of video you want to use is pre-recorded longer videos like the one you're watching right now. This type of video really performs best here on YouTube. Similar to live video, choose a day and a time each week that you will release your long form video content. Then, as soon as it goes live, share it to your email list, your social media platforms, and drive as many views as possible to that video in the first 24 hours. While YouTube is a bit of a slow burn compared to the rapid success people are seeing on TikTok or Instagram Reels, that doesn't make it any less valuable. I still get leads every single day from videos that I created over a year ago. And I have friends who have been on YouTube for over a decade who are still generating leads from videos they made way back in 2013. That's the power of a YouTube strategy and the power of the YouTube search engine. Because views on YouTube are search and intent based, your videos will have staying power that lasts years. Finally, I cannot talk about video without mentioning webinars. A webinar is a 60 to 90 minute video training that you deliver to your audience that's free to attend, leads with a ton of value, and then sells your offer at the end. I have used webinars to generate over $750,000 in sales for my business. And what I love most about webinars is that they are a triple threat when it comes to marketing. It's not only results in growth, but also leads and sales. You can run webinars using an automated or a live format, and for more tips on how to sell anything with webinars, check out this video. All right, so there are the 7 types of videos that you should be using in your business this year, but what about the action plan? How do you go about integrating these videos into your strategy, and how do you do it without feeling overwhelmed? The first thing you need to do is register for the free Fearless Video Challenge that my friend Mark and I are hosting. This challenge is 5 days of pure value. And on day 1, you will be getting a step-by-step video action plan to eliminate your fear of getting on camera and make video marketing feel fun and easy for you. You can reserve your seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/video. And in the meantime, here's the strategy that you can start using, the same one that I'm using for my video marketing this year. Step 1, choose 1 or 2 platforms to focus on for the next 90 days. I recommend TikTok and Instagram to start. Number 2, ramp up your strategy by posting 1 to 3 short videos a day for your first 30 days. Keep them focused on your niche and super targeted to your ideal client that you're trying to reach. Step 3, every time you post a video, take 5 minutes to scroll your feed. Leave a few comments on the post to people that you're following or posts that show up in your For You page or Discover page. And then take another 1 to 2 minutes to reply to any comments that have come in from your recent posts. Step 4, choose one day, one time each week to either go live with your audience or release a pre-recorded video on YouTube. I call this your hero content because this is where you really get to go deep on one topic every week that your audience really wants to learn more about. Don't try to go live and release a new YouTube video each week at first. Pick one, be consistent with it for 90 days, and then add in the other one only if you want to. Finally, step 5, be consistent. Your account might totally blow up in 30 days, or it might not. The key is to be patient, trust the process, and continue to practice and get better at the game. I have a client who was so frustrated because she had posted 2 to 3 videos a day on TikTok for 30 days and she only had 65 followers. She wanted to give it up, but instead we looked at her strategy, found some really simple ways to improve, and she committed to another 30 days. That very next week, she had a video take off and grew by 200 followers overnight. And now, just 5 months later, she has over 20,000 followers and is generating sales every single week from her videos. If you want to learn how to master video, how to get confident on camera, and how to work from a proven action plan that gets results, don't forget to head over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/video to join Mark and me for the Fearless Video Challenge. In the meantime, if you're ready to learn more about how to use short video in your marketing, check out this video. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time I release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.